In this video, you learn how to make videos on TikTok that are longer than 15 seconds. This is going to be an OBS tutorial and the trick is very simple and I have no idea how I didn't figure it out yet. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, and me and my team, we have 2 video editors. We try to upload 2 or more videos every single day for your value. So if you're new, subscribe and like for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll shout your TikTok account out, just comment it down below, take it, put it in the shout out jar, because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, I'm on my account right now and it works the same way on Android and iOS, and you just click the plus sign like you would normally right here, and then you just switch to 60 seconds. It was that simple, and you didn't know it. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that video that gives the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these 2 videos out. See you next one. Bye.